Hi everybody, thank you so much for being here today. In this video, I am exposing what is underneath my bed. I've gotten so many comments and questions and suggestions on my bed, but I have to tell you guys, I absolutely love my bed. It's perfect and I'm not going to change it. So let me show you why. My bed is a low profile cot from Walmart. It's low profile, meaning that it's not as high as a regular cot. It's only 8 inches of height. So because of this, I can sit on my cot with plenty of headroom without hitting my head. Okay? My cot is 79 inches long, 25 inches wide, and 8 inches high. It is a regular camping cot. I have a blanket underneath it because I needed some extra padding in this area. I have a full-size foam mattress or a foam mattress topper folded in half. And then I have I believe it's 3 or 4, I think it's 4 inches, 4-inch memory foam tri-fold mattress. Okay, and then on top I have this this fitted sheet. So I actually, right now I have this floor space in the van too, so I wanted to show you guys kind of what that looks like. So underneath at the back of the van, I actually have a yoga mat going through because the cot also sits its last leg on my folded down seat. So the yoga mat just protects the seat from the cot leg. And then I had this rug under this leg to level it out, but I actually just switched it out with some small pieces of hobby wood that I picked up at Home Depot. So that's the only thing I've done to level it. So the bed is not perfectly level, but it's perfect for me and it's really comfortable. Underneath the front portion here I have like a first aid kit. Those are just bungees and that yellow bag and a waterproof blanket. Right here is where all my clothes go. And then I have tools and hardware under there. So when all my blankets and everything are off of my bed, this is what it looks like. And right now, like I said, normally either my camping toilet goes here or an igloo cooler, and Winston's bed goes on the top of it. And then this is, of course, the other side of my shelf from Ikea. And then right there in that spot, that's where my Yeti cooler sits. But I'm doing a lot of cleaning and preparing in my van right now for my upcoming travels. So that's why I figured I'd show you what's underneath my bed and what exactly it looks like. Oh, I lost a pillow here. And then this is what it looks like from the inside, or from the trunk. And this fitted sheet I got on Amazon. It's not like perfectly straight, of course, but again, it's great for me. I'm 5'8", 150 pounds, and this setup is really comfortable. I didn't want to compromise on any components of the bed because I have a bad right hip and I have chronic lower back pain. And this setup is really comfortable for me despite that. So just as a reminder, sorry about the lighting, camping cot, foam pad, tri-fold mattress, and then my sheet and all my blankets. And this is what my floor space looks like. I hope this video was helpful for anybody curious about my bed. Let me know if you have any more questions. As always, links to the mattress, the cot, and all of the other main components that you see in my van are in the description. I really appreciate you guys being here. Happy New Year. I know 2020 was bizarre, but 2021, it's a new time, and I hope you all have a very, very blessed year ahead.